Hey guys.
Hello teacher. Hello teacher Hannah.
Can you introduce yourself first?
Yes.
You'll start from Tom. Sorry,
Tom.
Peter. Can you introduce yourself?
My name is Peter. I'm 9 years old. Now I'm learning in Dong Thai Primary School near here.
Yeah, this place?
Yes. Next me.
Yeah.
Hello everyone, my name is Judy. I'm 9 years old and I study in Dong Thai Primary School. Dong Thai Primary School is near Two Colors.
Yeah? All the schools and your two colors. That's why you're here.
Hello everyone, my name is Annie. I is just old and I learn in
You study at?
I'm studying at your school. Yes. So what's the name of your school? Okay.
Two colors?
No.
Okay. Bright colors?
Yes. What is the name of your school?
I didn't know this.
Don't know. Primary school, okay? Okay.
She's not. Sometimes I forget what my name is.
She forget her school name. Yes.
I forget my real name.
Really?
Yeah.
Miss Huyền.
Yeah, okay. Now you tell me. You look at the camera and tell me who do you want to become in the future and why? Okay? Who want to start first?
I want to start first.
Judy, you want to start first? Okay.
Okay.
You look at the camera and you tell the audience who do you want to become in the future and why?
I want to be an English teacher in the future because I can tell everyone a good English. And maybe I will go to another country to learn, to play, and to live in another country.
And you're going to teach English in another country? Or
Yes,
teach English
yes, of
here?
course, because I like to teach English. First, I teach in Vietnam, and then I will go another countries to teach the children.
Will you go to America to teach English?
Yes, because I like America. That's a wonderful place.
Yeah, but everyone speaks English there. Who will you teach?
I don't know. Maybe I will
Maybe
go
you
there
will
to
teach
try.
small children, right?
Maybe you will teach math, English, math.
So you can
But
teach.
I don't like math.
So maybe you will teach Vietnamese in America,
No,
right?
I
No?
can't. I just want to teach English.
But in America. But you can travel around the world if you're good at English,
When I
right?
go to America, I will play or live in there.
You will play?
Just that.
You will stay in America.
Or when I talk English with someone.
Okay, good, cool. Sounds like a good plan. What about Annie? Who do you want to become in the future?
In the future, I want to be a teacher.
Also a teacher? What would you teach?
I teach English.
You teach English, that's
Yes.
well. Yeah? So what do you think you need to do now so that you can become a good teacher?
Maybe that.
Will you have to study hard or you don't need to study at all? You just follow good seed and you will become a good teacher. So what will make you become a good teacher?
What?
What makes you a good teacher?
I will learn English very well and
Like how good your English is? Like perfect, fluent, like a native speaker, or just good is enough? How? Is good or excellent or fluent? Which level? Good? Good? What about Judy? You want to be great at English?
yes, because some days I go to Newton school.
Newton School? Is that an
I
international
do
school?
English exercise in there. It's too hard, but
You took a test. You took a
so I have a happy meal
You got an email from the school.
The school said I can do the exercise more.
More? You can take more tests.
Yes, yes.
Will you try your best? Will you try your best to get a good result? Yes, of course, right? You want to go for a good teacher.
It's too hard.
I know.
Maybe a little bit hard,
Yeah.
but some exercise is easy.
But you know, practice makes perfect. The more practice you do, the better you are. Right? That right? Nothing is too difficult. Everything is possible, right? What about Ryan? What about Peter? Ryan? Go on.
You always say
I want to learn.
Orion.
In the future, I want to learn and make a technology.
You want to work in technology industry? Like a developer, right? You want to code? You want to code like an app on your phone or like
Make a robot.
Make a robot. What
Help.
kind of robot you make?
Help.
What your robot can do?
Maybe the robot can help the people.
Help the person and
Help people?
help people and help the people.
To do what? Like to help sick people, or to help people cross the street, or to help people learn English?
Or help the people clean the house.
Yeah, to help people clean the house,
Clean the
cook
party.
dinner.
Because
party.
before the party is so many trash to clean it.
So much trash to clean after the party, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
So you don't have to do anything if you have your robot, right? You'll become lazy. No?
No.
No? Then what will you do if you have your robot?
Maybe we won't let the robot do the housework a little bit.
I will make the robot help the people do a work they don't want to do, or that work is too dangerous.
Too dangerous. Yeah,
Or
cool.
too different.
Right? For example, a builder. You know builder? They
Yeah.
have to climb up high
No.
and they build a new house. Like a tall building, right? It's
Oh.
dangerous if you like.
Fall down.
If
Teacher.
sometimes people fall down.
You know,
Yeah.
if the robot do the work too much, they will die. Or the robot can kill the people because they do the work too much.
Like it. Nice. Okay, what else did you study from grade 8? What songs, stories?
In it, that was a good event. I learned
Jobs?
and
What else?
And how the number 8 and the
Number.
color pink.
Color pink. And what else? What about stories?
I remember
Did you study about
Too much
sea
pink.
life? Too much pink.
I like too
Right
much
now. What are you doing
water
right
play
now?
at Gorilla School.
So tell me, what are you doing right now?
I sit in the chair.
I sit in a chair.
And I talk with you and I look at in the camera.
You are sitting in a chair. You are doing an interview, right?
Yes.
Okay. So we study numbers, days in a week, jobs, color pink, number 8. What about I test you how fast you can be with numbers? Yes? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. But let me ask you this first. Days in a week, okay. What day is it today?
Today is Saturday.
Okay. What day will it be 2 days after today?
Today, Friday.
Monday. Good. 2 days after. 2 days after.
It's Saturday and Sunday
Yeah.
and Monday.
Oh,
Okay, it's harder. What day was it be yesterday?
Friday.
What day was it be 3 days before yesterday?
Tuesday.
No?
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Yeah, Wednesday. Very good. Now, I'm gonna say Monday first, and we have to tell me the next day. Okay? Sunday.
Tuesday.
Sunday.
Monday.
Tuesday.
Wednesday.
Friday. No. Thursday.
Thursday.
Friday.
Saturday.
Sunday,
Monday,
Faster. Tuesday.
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Friday, Saturday, Sunday,
Sunday,
Wednesday.
Thursday, Tuesday,
Wednesday.
Thursday,
Thursday. What about we do backward? Okay? You ready? Harder. Friday.
Thursday,
Wednesday, Tuesday,
Monday,
Sunday.
Saturday,
Friday,
Thursday.
Wednesday,
Tuesday,
Monday, Saturday.
Monday and
I'm also to say Saturday,
Friday and Sunday.
Sunday,
Okay. Saturday.
Friday,
Thursday, Friday,
Before and after.
Wednesday,
Okay, good. Tuesday.
Monday,
Good. It's harder, right? Okay. Now I'm gonna say the number, and you have to point to the number. Okay. You ready? Ready. 313. Okay. 49. Where is it? Okay. Good job. 115. Okay. 15. 13. 37. Good. Peter, you're fast. Now, 26. Good. Next one. 632. Good job. Now I point to the number. You say it in English. Okay? Let's use faster. Okay?
21, 313, 49, 15, 37,
Good.
16,
16.
16, 26,
26.
17, 19, 37, 13, 622.
Very good. Okay, I think that's it for today. Maybe you want to say thank you to the audience
Thank you everyone
for watching.
to watch this. Goodbye. Bye. It's so hard.
No? You want to sing? You don't want to sing it back?